Hello my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here to do a video tutorial on how I made this wooden cradle for bookbinding. And what I do is I use it to put my signature in with my template, and then I can punch holes and it holds my signature while I'm punching the holes. So it's really quick and easy, and I promised quite a few of my subscribers who wanted me to show a tutorial on how I did this. Sorry it took me a while to get all the supplies, but what you will need, and I'm not sure how long this is. This is the long paint stick from Home Depot. They give them free here on my island. So I'm sure you can get them free, or I think some places might sell them, but you can get smaller ones, but I like the big ones because they're thicker. So what I do is I measure halfway point, and you can either use, and you're going to use hot glue as well, or you can use wood glue, but I think that would be more difficult because of the angle that you have to get. So you can either use one of these hand saws that I got at Walmart, or just simply I don't know, cutting pliers. And what I do is it's pretty soft wood, so I just do that. I make a mark on both ends, and then it just snaps. And then you can sand it if you want. Mine's pretty rough looking. That's one piece. See, I measured this one as well. And I just got this tool at a hardware store. I'm sure Walmart sells it. That easy. And what I like to do is I like to, this end that kind of goes in like that, I guess it's the handle end. I make sure that I'm not lining up two handle ends together. And you're going to need 2, 4, 6. You're going to need 6 pieces that are about, I don't have my, here, I got my ruler. You're going to need 6 pieces that are about 10.5 inches long. So I hope everyone's doing well today and having a great weekend so far. Ran my errands today. Went to Michael's, hit up some of their sales. Okay, so we got the 6 pieces. Now I have my hot glue gun. I haven't used this in ages, so there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first glue 2 pieces together. I hope I'm in frame here. I like the hot glue because it's fast. And then I'm going to glue the other 2 together. So you're basically going to have 2 pieces times 3. 2 pieces together to make 3 pieces. And then the tricky part, you're going to want to, I like to make sure I have 2, like this has a little bit of an indentation. So I want the 2 really flat sides to sit together like this. I don't remember because I made this so long ago, but let's try by putting some hot glue down the center first. Just kind of looking to see if I have it straight. And that didn't really work, so let's put some hot glue down here. Just making sure it's straight. Use your finger once it's not too hot. To even. And then what you can do is, I'm going to need another glue stick. You can fill in the hot glue on the bottom edges. Like this. Get the hot glue in there. It uses quite a bit of hot glue. But I made this a year ago and it still works for me. And what I like too is when you push your awl through, it just kind of goes into the glue. And it still stays connected, but it allows you to actually go in through the paper and then through this glue part. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get my silicone spatula. If I can find it. Here it is. And I'm just going to use the spatula to push it in. And then I'm going to put some, because this acts as a cushion for your awl to go in. But you want it to be smooth. Because you want your signature to be able to sit in there smoothly. I put the glue in and then it looks like I'm taking it out, but there's still glue in there. Perfect. Let me just clean this up and then we'll see how it looks. I think I'm going to put a little bit in here as well, just for safe measure. So we got glue all the way around. I'm going to unplug my glue gun. And let's give it a try. So when you have your, let me get a template. I have a couple templates laying around. So I have this template. And then see it actually goes in. And there you go. Makes nice holes. Kind of helps you with your hands free while you're doing your holes. So I hope that's helpful. I do hope you make one. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. And have a great rest of your day. And until the next video, stay safe, be well, take care, and bye-bye, friends.